Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we got late night lock picker challenge lock, and the key is mummied up, but we don't need that, so let's see if we can't get this thing in a vise and get her picked. There we go. Zoom in a little bit, get some focus. Alright, let's see what we can do. Well, that focus helped the light out. Okay. Gotta click on one, felt like. Okay, that was a click on 3. Click on 4. And there's a click on 5. If it looks kind of silly, it's because I'm trying to pick off this ledge here. There we go. Got another click off. I think that was 3. Oop. There's a click off of 4. Okay, click on 1. There's another click on 3. Oop. Like 4. 5. Felt like I got 2 clicks off of 2. Click off of 3. And feels like 4 is giving me a little feedback. Maybe that's 3. Feels like 3. Okay, I went for 3 and I lost 4. Oh, there we go. I got 4 back. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. And let's get this thing gutted. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Okay, let's get this key off here first of all. Go ahead and see if it pulls off. Yep. Alright, look at all them high cuts on there. Okay. Take that out. Get this clip off. I went out to my garage earlier and I looked for the clip remover to get this off, but I didn't find it yet. Oops. I always have a hard time with the clips. Okay. Man, it's almost there. Let's see, let's get this screwdriver where I got some leverage. There we go. Not yet. Alright, finally. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this out. Flip it that way. And then we'll put a shim in here. If possible. Alright, there we have it. Lots of room to travel on all those. There's a, looks like we got undercutting in 4, and actually 3 and 4 looks like, and then the rest are threaded. And there's 1. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's see what's in the top here. Okay, 1, it looks like we got, well, it looks like a standard. Okay, it looks like we got a pin and pin here. So we got a standard serrated with a hole in it. Which is funny, because that should be a pin and pin there, I believe. That should go in there like that. And then two. Wow, 2's not even hardly sticking up over the shear line, but I'm sure it would as you were picking it, but Oh, I might be wrong. I had my dang shim in there. So 2 was a spool. Looks like a factory spool. Let me pull this shim out here. Let me get. Let's see if I can get spring number 1 out of there too. Spring 1 might be stuck. Unless it fell out already, but I don't think it did. Oh, yep, there it is. It did. My bad. Alright, so pin 3. Looks like a standard serrated. Pin 4 is standard serrated with only 2 serrations on it. And pin 5 is another serrated. Now, put this back in here. Let's see if we can't dump these springs. Alright, and we got all kinds of different kind of springs too. So, very cool late night lock picker. Let's have a look in here. I'm not thinking there's any modification to the top of that. Doesn't look like it. But there you have it. And show you the key. Maybe I didn't give you a real good shot of it the first time. Lots of high cut, so you really had to pick them pins. And here are your pins. That's a pin and pin on the first one, and then we got a spool and 3 serrateds. Alright guys, thanks a lot. If you don't have consent, keep your pick yourself, and have a good day. Thanks.